Alright, so in this video we're going to look at finding the area of a sector of a circle. So the area A of a sector with central angle theta in radians in a circle of radius r is given by A equals theta times r squared over 2. So here's our formula for the area of the sector of a circle. And the one thing that you have to notice here is it says here central angle theta in radians. And that's very important. Your angle measure has to be in radians. It cannot be in degrees. If your angle measure is in degrees, you have to convert it to radians. So let me draw a little picture over here so you can see what we're finding. So here's a circle, and then here's our central angle theta here. There's our radius r. Now what we're finding here is we are finding the area of this sector here. Okay, that's what we're looking for, this area here. Okay, so let's take a look at the example we have. Let me erase this. Alright, so it tells us that it says find the area of the sector of the circle with the given radius and central angle. Our radius r is 8 feet and theta is pi over 12. So we know our formula is area equals theta times r squared over 2. So our area is equal to theta, and here's theta, pi over 12, times r squared, and here's r, it's 8. So that's times 8 squared, and then all of that is divided by 2. Now, when we plug this into our calculator, we've got, oh, I'm sorry, this should be pi over 12. Okay. Pi over 12. I just had the 2 there. Alright, so we have pi divided by 12 times 8 squared, which is 64, and then that's divided by 2. And so that would be 8 point, and I'm going to round it to one decimal, 8.4. And since we're talking about area, this is going to be square feet. Okay, and there's your solution. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Alright, so find the area of the sector of the circle with the given radius and central angle. Our radius is 4 inches, and our central angle theta is 30 degrees. Now if you notice here, the 30 degrees, that's degree measure. So we have to convert this to radians first before we can plug it into our formula. So I'm going to get theta is equal to 30 degrees. And remember how to convert to radians? You multiply the degree measure by pi over 180. And so this is going to give us pi over 6. Alright, so our area is theta times r squared over 2. So the area is theta, which is pi over 6. That's the 30 degrees in radians. So it's pi over 6 times the radius squared. So that's times 4 squared, and that's divided by 2. And so if we plug this into our calculator, we get pi divided by 6 times 4 squared, which is 16, and then that's divided by 2. and I'm going to round this to 1 decimal. So we get 4.2 and it's units squared, or square units. So that's going to be 4.2 square inches. And this would be our solution. So I hope this video has helped. I hope you'll check out my other videos. Thanks.